NordVPN, super quick, it was easy to install other than signing up and getting your payment stuff going, but that's not a big deal, and you do it once. And just like I said, when you're running NordVPN, you just launch it and then ignore it, and you just get on with everything you're doing regularly on the internet, whether you're on the web, whether you're in your email program, whether you're playing a game, whatever. It all is now secure because it's going through an encrypted VPN. Super nice. NordVPN itself is pretty interesting because it's based in Panama and they don't keep any logs, and that's actually pretty important because you don't actually want the VPN data there for a government agency or for some, who knows, some bad guys to go in and actually figure out, oh, that was you and that was the site you went to. So I really like that they don't keep any logs. They have a ton of servers in a ton of countries. You already saw that just a second ago, and that gives you a lot of flexibility, and it works in the other direction too. So if you're traveling in Spain or in Japan or in Africa, you can use NordVPN there to connect as if you're in the United States. So that can be very beneficial for services like movie streaming services, right? Where they want to know, are you based in this country? And you suddenly look like you still are. So very handy. It also is very much a premium service, but not a premium price. In fact, NordVPN, we looked at some prices a minute ago, but NordVPN actually has discounts all the time. They're constantly running promos, which brings me to vpnMentor. Because here's the thing, is that there is a lot of what we can call fly-by-night VPN services online that they're not really encrypted, they're not really safe, they might be archiving their log files just in case. They might not actually be encrypting at all. But NordVPN's really good, and one of the ways I know that is because I went to vpnMentor and looked at all their user-based comments and reviews and saw that Nord gets very, very good reviews. And this is from actual users, hundreds of them. So it's not like, you know, the company set it up and trying to trick you. And there's some of that on the internet too, unfortunately. But vpnMentor sidesteps all of that.